while I was here, I've been thinking of how do we tackle this kind of a problem, whether it's climate change or any other means. But there must be a disaster relief fund for the victims. And I'm going to invite organized private sector to team up with the government. We'll do that together. Yes. And retool and rebuild, affected areas from here. For the people of Borno, Yobe, and other affected states, I say we will pull together a very good program for Nigeria to recover from this calamity and do better in the interest of our people. We will build our nation. Thank to various donor agencies for their sympathy and their contributions and their watchful eyes on this area.